Namaskar everyone, my name is Astro Anshul. Welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing to you weekly prediction from 21st of September till 27th of September. This weekly prediction is based on your ascendant sign. Whatever the sign is there in your first house, this prediction is based on that, not on the moon sign. So let's start with the Aries ascendant. On 21st of September, you will have arguments with your spouse. This is the time that you need to have good relation with your spouse. If you won't be doing any arguments or you won't get into arguments, then things will be streamlined for you. On 21st, second half of 21st, 22nd and first half of 23rd, unexpected events may keep you busy. This is a time that you may face some problems and hurdles. Your spouse relation with your spouse will remain rough. You may have troubles with your in-laws also. So you need to drive safe, as there are chances for you to get into accident also. So keep patience, drive safe. On second half of 23rd, 24th and first half of 25th, you will remain lucky. This is a good period for you to be involved in spirituality. Long travels are also shown during these days. Spiritual travels can happen. This is a time when luck will favor you. You will be inclined to learn new things, new languages, and overall this is a good period. Fasting on this day will help you to keep a balance. On 26th and 27th, you may face some disrespect in the office. Try to remain calm there, as chances that you may get into any arguments because of which there may be some kind of ill effects of it, which may give you disrespect. You will not get respect and you will be feeling ashamed of it. So keep that in your mind. So let's start with the Taurus ascendant. What Taurus people are going to get from 21st of September till 27th of September. On 21st of September, you may face some kind of illness. Your health will remain a point of concern for you. And people who were expecting to take some kind of loans, they will be able to work towards it. On second half of 21st, 22nd and 23rd, you will face situations where you will have arguments with your business clients and with your business partner also. Relations with your spouse also may get rough, and you will have rough time with your spouse too. So try and maintain that. On the 23rd, on the second half of 23rd, 24th and first half of 25th, you will have some unexpected gains. And this is a good period for you to enjoy sudden increase in your wealth. And you may foresee some unexpected money coming your way. And this is a good time that you would have good relations with your spouse and your in-laws also. On 26th and 27th, you will be inclined to learn new language. You will be spiritually awakened and you will try and grab more knowledge. Interest towards astrology and learning new language will be your prime concern. This is a good time for you to do long travel and get connected with people who are, sitting at long distance places. Few will also travel to spiritual places. Thank you guys. Let's understand what Gemini ascendant are going to get from 21st of September till 27th of September. On 21st of September, you will remain very creative. Your intelligence will be on peak. You will be busy in creativity. If you are into media business or media activities you've been doing, then you will be getting guided, and you will come up with new virgin ideas during these days. And if somebody is into trading, share market, then this is a good period for them to get benefit from there also. And on second half of 21st, 22nd and first half of 23rd, you may face some health issues. This is a time that you need to take care of your health. Property related matters will be in your favor. You will be planning to buy new property. This is a good period for you. But few people may, get into sudden accident, and health related issues can be a point of concern for them. You should try to keep fast for Tuesday. This will benefit you. On second half of 23rd, 24th and first half of 25th, you will have good relation with your business partners, more clients, and increase in your business. You will see, you will get connected with new people, especially people who are going to help you in your business. You will meet them. This is a good period for you to remain connected with your spouse. Also, benefits from your spouse too you will be getting during these days. On 26th and 27th, this is a period wherein your health may become an issue. Like you may have a problem with your health issues. So take care of that during these days. So let's understand what Cancer Ascendant are going to get from 21st of September till 27th of September. On 21st of September, you will remain connected with your family members and you will spend quality time with them. You're planning to buy a property related matters are going to favor you. On second half of 21st, 22nd and first half of 23rd, you will be spending more time in overthinking. You will come up with new ideas to get your task done. Your planning will be very high. You will keep thinking about your loved ones. Those who are single, they will meet somebody new in their life. The new love can come in their life. Relations with your kids will keep you busy and you will keep thinking about them also. On second half of 23rd, 24th and first half of 25th, you will be working much harder in life during these days. It's a time when you will be putting in more efforts in office. Your stomach related problems may come up. So take care of your health too. On 26th and 27th, you will have arguments with your spouse. This is a time where you need to keep yourself calm. Try to remain calm and keep a fast on Friday. Don't argue with her. And this is not a good period for you to, get growth in your business also. So patience is the key to success here. Let's understand what Leo Ascendant are going to get from 21st of September till 27th of September. On first half of 27th of September, you will remain into more communicating things. Like you will be communicating your ideas, you will be conducting more meetings, you will be taking online sessions also, and you will be a part of conferencing, and you will, be in the writing things also. You will be writing and communicating your ideas, conveying your thoughts to everyone. On the second half of 21st, 23rd and first half of 23rd, you're planning to buy new property will take little more time as it will get delayed. You will remain occupied with your family and take care of your mother. On 23rd, second half of 23rd, 24th and 25th, your creativity will be very high. You will remain connected with new ideas. Your intelligence will help you decide what you have to do in life. This is a good period for you if you are into media or any kind of creativity work, as new ideas, new plannings and creativity will be on its peak. So it will help you to come up with new thoughts and clear things up with your own imaginations. Married people will have good time with their partners, and this is a period for somebody who's single, as they will find their new love. On 26th and 27th, you may face some health issues. This is not a good period for you for your health. This is not a good period. Few are planning to take loans. That will also be happening in their life. So let's understand what Virgo Ascendant are going to get from 21st of September till 27th of September. On 21st of September, your finances are going to rise. This is a good period for you to earn money or get money from bank related tasks, or if you had done any kind of investment in the past, this is a good period for you to get the money out of that investment. Or if you are planning to do any investment, then again this is a good period for you. Finances are going to favor you. On 21st, the second half of 21st, 22nd and first half of 23rd, your learning or your writing and paperwork related tasks will be benefiting you. For students, this is a good time for them to grasp new things, as they will be able to learn very quickly and very easily. Whatever they will be learning, they will easily grasp that, and this is a good time for people to communicate their ideas. They'll be more inclined towards writing things and conveying their thoughts to others, and very easily they will be able to do it during these days. On second half of 23rd, 24th and first half of 25th, you will be spending more time with your family members, as this is a time when you need to take care of your mother, and this is a good period to remain connected with your family. On 26th and 27th, you may go through some hard times with your lovers, or those who are single, they will find new love, and those who have already existing love affairs, then they may face little rough time during these days. So let's understand what a Libra ascendant are going to get from 21st of September till 27th of September. On 21st of September, you will remain very enthusiastic to perform your tasks, some new tasks to improve your life, and you will spend more time in introspection, what you are doing, where you have to go. You will be spending time in planning. On second half of 21st, 22nd and first half of 23rd, your finances are going to improve. This is a good time for you to get benefits from bank related tasks, as past investment are going to favor you. Good period for your investment if you want to do more earnings. Take care of your speech, as chances that you may be rude with others, and this may create problem for you. On second half of 23rd, 24th and first half of 25th, you will communicate your ideas to others, and you will this is a good period for you to do little changes in your life, as you will remain very courageous and take new steps towards your life betterment. Good period to grow. You will be busy in writing and speaking a lot. On 26th and 27th, you will remain occupied with your family members and friends, and this is a good period to spend time with your mother. So let's understand what Scorpio ascendant are going to get from 21st of September till 27th of September. On 21st of September, you will be spending most of your time in bed, and you will be spending in shopping. Your expenses are going to be high during this day. On second half of 21st, 22nd and first half of 23rd, you will be doing a lot of introspection. You will be making plans, and actively you will be thinking what all you have achieved so far and what you have to do in future. And but you need to escape from overthinking. This will create problems for you else. On 23rd, 24th and 25th, you will be having a lot of money. This is a good time for you to get financial gains. Bank related tasks are going to benefit you. Your finances will improve. If you had done any kind of investment in the past, this is a good time that it will help you to increase your money. You may also do investment during these days. You will receive more money during these days. This is a good period for you to be associated with any kind of investment or financial matters. On 26th and 27th, you will be busy in communicating your ideas. A lot of paperwork and writing and communicating, conveying your thoughts will remain your priority. This is a good period to be a part of meetings and association of people. Relations with your siblings are going to be very good, and those will benefit you. So let's understand what Sagittarius ascendant are going to get from 21st of September till 27th of September. On 21st of September, you will gain whatever you were planning for. This is a good period for your desires to get fulfilled. People who are associated with business, they will get more clients, and their relations with clients will improve. This is a period for your finances to improve. Your relations with your elder siblings and colleagues in office will improve too. On second half of 21st, 22nd and first half of 23rd, you may face some sudden losses. This is not a good period to do any kind of investment, as you will be spending a lot of money also. Expenses are going to be high. You will be spending a lot of time on bed, and you will be very lazy to perform your duties too. Some connection from abroad will again get active for you. On second half of 23rd, 24th and first half of 25th, you will remain very active. You will do a lot of introspection, that what you are doing, what your plans are. You will be concerned about your life, and you will think where you are standing today and what you want to achieve in your life. Accordingly, you will take major actions in your life in future. On 26th and 27th, your finances are going to improve. This is a good period for you to get help from bank related and investments. This is a period wherein you may do investments also, as it will benefit you in future. So let's understand what Capricorn ascendant are going to get from 21st of September till 27th of September. On 21st of September, you will be recognized by your work in the office. With your efforts, you will remain very busy, as work will be much more from usual, and you will be very aggressively performing your task during this day. On the second half of 21st, 22nd and 23rd, your plannings will give you good results. This is a good period for your desires to get fulfilled. Your elder siblings will be there to help you, and relations with your elder siblings will improve too. This is a good time to get help from your colleagues in the office. You will get good gains, and your plannings which you had done in the past will give you good results. This is a period when you will be very happy and enjoying your life. On 23rd, the second half of 23rd, 24th and first half of 25th, the expenses are going to be very high for you. You will remain connected with spirituality, and you will be devoting your time to learn astrology, or digging deeper into things will remain your prime concern during these days. You will spend more time on bed. You will remain very lethargic, very lazy. On 26th and 27th, you will be doing a lot of deep thinking about what you are planning, what you are doing so far. You will be thinking a lot about your future, and all of a sudden things will keep you busy, and you may remain tense also during these days. But this is a good time to earn good money, and planning a lot about future you will be doing during these days. So guys, let's understand what Aquarius ascendant are going to get from 21st of September till 27th of September. On 21st of September, you will remain very lucky. This is a good period for you to do long traveling, and spiritually also you will remain connected. This is a good period for you to remain connected from people who are living at long distances. On second half of 21st, 22nd and first half of 23rd, you will be defamed in your work. You will get disrespect at your workplace. It's not a good time for you to get into any arguments at your workplace. Kindly keep patience, and try to maintain a cordial relationship with your colleagues in the office. On 23rd, on second half of 23rd, 24th and first half of 25th, your past plannings will give you good results. This is a good period for fulfilling your desires. Whatever you were planning, you will be able to achieve it. Relations with your elder sibling and your colleagues will improve a lot, and you will get their help also. This is a good period for people who want to earn more money, as businessmen will earn good during these days, and relations with their clients will improve too. On 26th and 27th, your expenses are going to be high, and you would be spending more time in bed pleasures. Understand what Pisces ascendant are going to get from 21st of September till 27th of September. On 21st of September, you may face some sudden losses and accident during this day. On 21st, second half of 21st, 22nd and first half of 23rd, you will spend more money in learning and will get connected with spirituality. This period is going to be very favorable for you as luck will favor. You will do long travels and you will spend time in learning new language also. On second half of 23rd, 24th and first half of 25th, you will be having good name and fame. This is a good period for you to be recognized in your office or at your workplace. You may remain connected with higher authorities and will get their appreciation also. On 26th and 27th, your desires will get fulfilled. This is a good period for you that whatever you had planned will start giving you good results, and your clients will increase too. Those who are into business, they will get benefit and their increase in clients will happen during these days. Their finances will improve too. This is a good period for good income. So guys, this was my observation on all the zodiacs starting from Aries till Pisces from 21st of September till 27th of September. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And also you can follow me on Facebook and Twitter also. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.